We are going. Yeah, it's a waterfall. And it's raining. Here. What is this place called?
Brandy Wine Farm?
Brandy something.
Wine, Brandy Wine.
So we in here. I guess we're doing a hike. It's what, like a mile something long? Which is nothing really. Oh! That's kind of scary, not gonna lie. This is so nice. It's so far you guys can't even see it. See this cool waterfall. So I'm assuming that we're starting on the top. Let's stay up first. Cause I'm assuming that's the second level. And then it will go lower to the third, or yeah. Zoom! Look at that. I'm like, hi. I wanted to wear a hat because I look weird. My forehead is big. But we're close to the waterfall already. Oh, we're gonna be doing a lot of walking. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It took us 2 hours to get here, and I ate before we came. I'm still hungry. You already know I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's pretty dope. Imagine being up there.
Yeah, you're not allowed to climb. Like, they specifically put up signs, like, do not climb.
Oh. So I'm guessing that's the lower deck?
I guess so, yeah, maybe.
And
No,
that's
I think you can, like, go to where, like, you're, like, I don't know, like, closest to, I don't know.
Wait, did you see that dog that in the where just that dog that was here? It had one eye missing. I miss my dog.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Man, that's just so peaceful.
Oh my gosh, look at all those pretty flowers.
So Naomi's telling me I can't climb this just to stand closer to the edge. I know it's dangerous. But dude, look at all that dry areas right there. You're telling me I can't just step over this and then jump over that and then stand right there and take a dope like picture?
No.
Look, people got on there. I'm gonna do it.
No!
I'm joking, guys. I'm joking.
This one right there.
Yeah. Look, it says danger, keep out. The boy done broke the rules. I crossed through here. It's worth it. All right, so I got a little bit closer to the waterfall. I think it's just like, I don't think you should come here. I don't think it's like breaking any rules. But look at that. It's so nice. I want to jump in. Naomi's up there. I don't think no one can see me. I want to go down there, dude. We can pick up a train right here. Get a train ride and go somewhere. That's cool. So we found this really cool gas station. Look at this. Look at this. Diesel. Whoa. Look at this air. Oh! Look what's inside.
Oh. Wait, does all this stuff work?
I doubt it. It's cool. I don't know. So we went to the store. It was sweet. They have homemade ice cream. Homemade cookies. Some homemade pretzels. Pretty cool. I like it here. Yeah? Pretty sure I can put this camera in the water. I'm pretty sure I can. But I just don't want a wet camera. Out here enjoying this water. Looks nice. Babe. Fine. It's fine. Cause what? What do you say?
There's glass. What?
I'm like, yeah, that's called pollution. Oh, you're talking about how it looks right now?
Yes, do you see that? It's because of the water. That's like a thing like when you I have some of the house.
So this is cool. Or did I mess it up by getting it wet?
You just messed it up by getting it wet.
Whatever.